Hi, I'm the Highway Groupie, and what we're doing now is unboxing the Synco. You can see it here. It's a microphone system or a kit, and what it says is it's good up to 50 meters, does mono or stereo, 180 hertz low cut, built-in external mic and built-in mic, and USB-C charging and wide compatibility. So we'll see if this is true. We'll try it out. So let's start by getting rid of the plastic. And inside the box we find setting recording levels correctly. That's always handy. So very quick start guide here. We have I assume this is the manual. Yep, it says user's manual. And we have a neat little pouch. You can see the pouch here. And let's see what we find inside the pouch. I call it a pouch. It has kind of a nylon finish to it, but it's quite solid. And the first thing we find is the 3 parts, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So it's clearly marked transmitter on the front, and second transmitter and the receiver. I notice the size. The reason they can be this size is because it uses a battery, a rechargeable battery inside. So we're not putting AAA or AA batteries in there. That's kind of neat. Let's see what we have in the little pouch here. So we have 2 cables. So one of the is, we can see it here, the TRRS. This is for hooking up to your smartphone. And we have the TRRS cable, just plain TRRS cable. That's to go into your DSLR camera or into other systems such as an amplifier system. Let's see what else we have here. So these have a built-in microphone. We can see it here at the top, built-in microphone. But they also offer the possibility of plugging in an external microphone. We can see here. These are the 2 external microphones. They come with little pop screens that are removable. So that's that part. Now we're supposed to get a charging cable. It's kind of a neat configuration, the charging cable, because you plug in once, but you can charge all 3 at the same time. Okay, so these are the microphone clips that we have here, and 2 dead cats, what I call windscreens, but I think everybody sort of calls them dead cats. There's a reset button here. To get to the reset button, you can use this. It's a little same kind of pin that you would use to get your SIM card out of your telephone. So that's the unboxing. Now if you're looking for the review and the actual testing of this equipment, which is again the Synco, if you want the actual review, and it is really an in-depth review, we get the total sound quality, white noise, everything you want. Just click on the card above my head and you can get the review, the in-depth review of this. So that's just the unboxing. Now we get to see what's inside it. please check the review for a true in-depth review of the Synco wireless microphone kit. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.